In this video, I will show you how to send music in Instagram DM. The first thing you want to do is open up Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search Instagram. Here, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. This feature is new, so if your app is not updated, you might not get this feature. Once it has been fully updated, go ahead and launch open Instagram. Now make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the DM icon over here. Open up the conversation where you want to send music. After that, you want to tap on this sticker icon. Now tap on the middle one right here. Now you will find the option of music. Select that. Go ahead and scroll through and find the music that you want to send. You can search for the music as well. Once you have selected it, go ahead and tap on this arrow icon. Once you tap on it, the music will be sent and now you can play the music from here. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.